What would you do if you found out there was a warrant for your arrest? The moment you realize you're facing such a situation can be overwhelming, but how you respond can make a significant difference in the outcome. In this video, we're sharing some essential tips from a criminal defense attorney to help you navigate this stressful and confusing process. Whether you're dealing with a warrant now or want to be prepared just in case, these insights will help you protect your rights and avoid common mistakes that could make your situation worse. Stay tuned as we break down the steps you need to take to handle a warrant effectively. Stay calm. Don't panic. The first and most important thing to remember when you learn that a warrant has been issued for your arrest is to stay calm. Panic can cloud your judgment, making it harder to think clearly and take appropriate action. When you're calm, you're better equipped to handle the situation rationally. Focus on understanding your legal rights, taking strategic steps, and seeking legal assistance. Panicking may cause you to make impulsive decisions, like running or resisting, which can lead to additional charges and complications. By remaining composed, you give yourself the best chance to resolve the situation efficiently and avoid making your case worse. Understand the type of warrant. There are different types of warrants, and understanding the nature of the one you're facing is crucial. An arrest warrant is issued by a judge and authorizes law enforcement to arrest you. A bench warrant, typically issued when you fail to appear in court, can result in your arrest for contempt of court. Knowing whether the warrant is for your arrest or a failure to appear gives you insight into the severity of the situation. It also helps your attorney craft a more effective defense strategy. Once you understand the type of warrant, you can better plan your next steps and determine if there's room for negotiation. Contact a criminal defense attorney immediately. One of the first actions you should take upon discovering a warrant is to contact a criminal defense attorney. A knowledgeable attorney can offer expert advice tailored to your situation, helping you navigate the legal system and make informed decisions. Your lawyer will explain your rights, review the details of the warrant, and guide you on the best course of action. Whether it's arranging for a voluntary surrender or preparing for a potential bond hearing, your attorney is your ally in protecting your rights. With their help, you can ensure that you don't make missteps that could harm your case or lead to more serious consequences. Do not attempt to hide. It may be tempting to go into hiding when you discover there's a warrant for your arrest, but resisting arrest or fleeing from the authorities can lead to severe consequences. Running from the law only makes the situation more complicated, potentially resulting in additional charges, including obstructing justice or evading arrest. It also makes it more likely that you will face a harsher punishment when you are eventually caught. Instead of hiding, face the situation directly. Work with your attorney to arrange for a safe, legal course of action, such as voluntarily surrendering or negotiating for bond. Hiding from the law only prolongs the stress and uncertainty. Verify the warrant's validity. Not all warrants are issued correctly, and mistakes can happen. Before making any decisions, it's essential to verify the validity of the warrant. Your criminal defense attorney can help you check the details of the warrant, ensuring that it's active, properly issued, and contains accurate information. Sometimes, warrants are issued based on errors, such as incorrect identification or misunderstandings. If the warrant is flawed, you may be able to have it dismissed or corrected. This verification step is vital to prevent unnecessary legal complications and to ensure that you're not mistakenly dragged into a situation that could have been avoided. Know your rights during arrest. When you're arrested, it's crucial to understand your legal rights to protect yourself and avoid making statements that could harm your defense. The right to remain silent is a critical right that can prevent you from incriminating yourself. You also have the right to an attorney, and it's advisable to invoke that right immediately. Anything you say to the police can be used against you in court, so it's best to refrain from speaking until you've consulted with your lawyer. Additionally, you have the right to know the charges against you, so ensure you ask for clarification on the reason for your arrest. Don't resist arrest. Resisting arrest can escalate the situation and lead to additional criminal charges, such as assaulting an officer or obstructing justice. Even if you feel the arrest is unjust, resisting will only make things worse. By remaining compliant, you avoid unnecessary complications that could negatively impact your case. While being arrested can feel overwhelming, it's important to stay as calm and cooperative as possible. Your attorney will have the opportunity to challenge the arrest and fight for your rights later in the legal process, but any resistance at the time will only make things more difficult for you. Gather documents and evidence. Preparing for your legal defense includes gathering all relevant documents and evidence that might support your case. This could include proof of identity, records of any communications related to the case, or evidence that may demonstrate your innocence. Your attorney will need this information to build the best defense possible. Any evidence you collect can be used in your favor to help refute claims against you. Being proactive in gathering this information shows the court that you're serious about defending yourself and can positively impact the outcome of your case. Consider surrendering voluntarily. If you know there's a warrant out for your arrest, consider surrendering voluntarily rather than waiting for the authorities to come to you. Surrendering voluntarily shows that you're willing to face the situation responsibly, which can be viewed favorably by the court. Your attorney can help facilitate this process, ensuring that it's done in the most strategic way. Voluntary surrender can also provide the opportunity for your lawyer to negotiate terms, such as securing a bail agreement or arranging for a more favorable bond. Taking control of the situation by surrendering can often reduce the severity of your charges or sentence. Prepare for the legal process ahead. Once you're arrested, the legal process begins, and it's important to know what to expect. The first step is often an arraignment, where you'll be formally charged, and a bond hearing may follow. These steps can have significant consequences for your case, and preparing for them with your attorney can make a huge difference. Your lawyer will help you understand each phase of the process, your options for bail, and what strategies may be best for your situation. The more prepared you are, the more confident you'll be in navigating the legal system and advocating for your rights. Understand bail and bond options. Bail and bond are critical components of the legal process, and understanding your options can help you avoid unnecessary jail time. There are several types of bail, including cash bail, surety bond, and personal recognizance bonds. Cash bail requires you to pay the full amount upfront, while a surety bond involves paying a percentage to a bail bondsman. Your attorney can negotiate with the court to secure the best possible bail terms based on the specifics of your case. In some situations, your lawyer may be able to arrange a personal recognizance bond, allowing you to be released without paying any bail at all. Stay informed and stay engaged. As your case progresses, it's essential to stay informed and actively engaged. The more you know about the legal proceedings, the better you can help your attorney prepare and make decisions. Keep communication open with your lawyer and attend all court dates, as failure to do so could result in additional warrants or complications. Your involvement demonstrates to the court that you are taking the matter seriously and are committed to resolving the issue. Staying engaged not only helps your case, but also gives you peace of mind during an otherwise stressful time.